Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about ginger slim drops. Okay, so basically this drop is used for as a weight management. So you should try this product or not, and what are the basic problems of this product. So in this video we will cover lots of information, so let's get started. So first of all I want to tell you, like, in today's time when you visit on internet you will find there are hundreds of product available with the name of drops. Okay, and this is also the same kind of product like ginger drop. And if we talk about like the product is manufactured by, you can say, like Livorco is a very popular brand in today's time, and they are selling like different kinds of product. You can see these are the product they are selling right now. And we talk about like the product, all these product are related to your, you can say, like health related category. Okay, so brand is good, there is no problem, brand is 100% genuine. But if we talk about these kind of product does not provide any kind of benefits, because you can see the ratings is the product rating is like only 19. And out of which you can say like most of the reviews is negative. So why these all are negative reviews? Because the product does not provide any kind of benefits in a short period of time, because you have to use this product for at least like 6 months, and after 6 months you will get some benefits. If you are thinking like you are going to use this product and you will get benefits overnight or over 1 or 2 months or 1 or 2 weeks, so it's impossible, because this is a ginger drops. And it will provide you naturally, you can say, like metabolism support. So it will take time, approx like 6 months, minimum time period is 6 months. So you can see, or you can imagine the costing of 6 months like very high. So if you have lots of money, then you can try it for at least 6 months. And if you don't have so much money, then you can avoid. Okay, so keep this thing in your mind, like if you're going to use this product, you have to use this product at least for, you can say, like 66 months. Okay, and if we talk about like you should use this product or not, yes, you can take a try, but keep this thing in your mind, like you have to use this product for at least 6 months. Okay, so does it really give you results? The answer is depends on person to person. Maybe you will get results, maybe you will not get results, so there is a chance. So if you are going to use this product, you keep this thing in your mind, like you are going to waste your money, like you should not you can say, like fully depend on this product. You just use this product as a supporting supplement. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, and if you have any experience with this product, please share your thought in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. So bye bye, thank you.